Хорошо, я покажу Роману, как надо делать. Хорошо, я готов. Дизельный мотор хорошо работает. Так, теперь мне надо выключить контроль здесь. Подержать надо 10 секунд. Примерно 10 секунд. Ага, видишь? Ага. Сработало. Теперь я готов.
Duramax! Alright, I know you're... just go do it! I'm betting he's going to struggle with this. Only us Americans know how to do burnouts in dualies. I told you he'd struggle. God bless it's America. There you go. Do it, Andre. Do it, do it, do it. Наконец-то! Oh, that is a lot of rubber you burned there, my man! Woo! All right, the Russian has figured out the proper American way to drive a dually. That was almost timed it. What was that, like 20 minutes of burnout? Is there any tread left on that thing? That was incredible, dude. You rocked it. As always, this is Andre and Roman saying thanks for watching, and come back soon when we take this beast up the gauntlet and do a proper test. This was just fun. See you next time. Ciao.
До свидания.